everybody. Welcome at the Experience Center.
We are providing an insight to students and young professionals on what a consultant actually does regarding digital-enabled services. Let's do some more because I get better and better answers.
It's the right place to be for junior and more experienced people who would like to know more about what PwC is doing for technology, cyber and privacy, and get some insights about clients or projects, nice and funny things to do here.
Students, if they come to us, they often have no idea what they can expect. And the sooner that we can inform them about how fun it is to work at PwC, the sooner we can convince them.
And what's interesting for me is really getting the insight of a business player and not only the academical side at the university.
University is great, you learn a ton of stuff, but you don't really have the hands-on experience.
All the programs that PwC offers, all the career opportunities, and it's very big, interesting company.
I am actually talking to a partner here at the meeting to get an internship this summer for PwC.
PwC is branded more like an accounting firm, but it is actually more than that. So yes, today we want to put a little bit more of meat and reality into what is PwC when it comes to technology, and we have some really nice games to digital footprint, game of threads, to start making people aware more of what PwC and technology is all about.
This is very intimidating stuff, and this is what we prepare companies for.
I think about PwC more like a finance and auditing, but actually now I realize that they are also now really going into the area of technology and innovation, and that's really good stuff.
I'm impressed, and it was really an eye-opener. I really look forward to blend into the system of PwC, the way how they move, the way how they integrate businesses and how they perceive on technology.